In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to insert conditional text in a template using an if instruction. There are several places in our demo employment agreement where we have what's called conditional text. That is to say, text that is only included when certain conditions are met. This conditional paragraph references an employment trial period. We only want this paragraph to be inserted if the employee meets this requirement. To get started, we need to first create a true-false component. Remember, when creating a variable, it's important to understand that it consists of two parts, the variable component and the variable field. The variable component contains all of the information about the variable, such as its name and any options that help control how it will appear in an interview and how it is processed when your final document is assembled. The variable field, on the other hand, is simply where the information will be placed in the template. So to create the variable component, I'll open the Component Manager and click the New Component button. I'll select True-False variable, give it a name, a title, and a prompt. I can then select OK, and I can see that it shows up in the Component Manager. Note that it also has an icon designating that it is a true or false variable. I can close this. On the template, I'll now highlight the paragraph that I want to be conditional, being sure to include the ending paragraph mark. On the HotDocs ribbon, I'll select If field. The If field dialog box opens and is already defaulted to If True-False variable, which is what I want. I'll click on the drop-down list and select Employee to Complete Trial Period. I'll then select OK. The template now shows this paragraph surrounded by both if and end if instructions. It is important to note that each if instruction must end with an end if in order to be complete. If the variable called Employee to Complete Trial Period is answered yes or true, then this paragraph will be included at assembly. If the user answers this question with no or false, then the paragraph will not be included. Let's do a quick test to make sure this is working okay. Employee to Complete Trial Period, select yes, preview, duration of employment, so that paragraph is inserted. Go back to the interview, select no, preview, duration of employment, that paragraph is now removed. That is how you insert conditional text in a HotDocs template.